Well, if you are a football fan and you love to watch football, here's how you can earn money this summer by watching 2026 FIFA World Cup. And the process is really simple. So let's start the process with the step number one, that you need to download Fox Sports app. After downloading this app, you need to create your account on it and then come over the section of soccer or FIFA World Cup. And in the section, you need to select the live match which you want to watch. So this was step number one. And in the step number two, you need to create an account on a website called lazyfella.ai. And the important thing is that while creating your account on lazyfella.ai, you must make sure that you are registering or creating your account by the same email which is registered or attached with your PayPal account. So that is step number two. In the step number three, you need to copy your Fox Supports URL and paste it on the lazyfella.ai's earn by watching section. Now, so this is all what you need to do. And whenever you are watching a match, lazyfellow.ai will count how many minutes you spent watching that match, and you will be paid accordingly. So that's how you'll be paid by a website which does not exist. Yeah, lazy fella does not exist. What I mean by this is that there is no way to earn money by watching FIFA World Cup. And this video was kind of thumbnail or clickbait to deliver the message that you should start doing some real work rather than watching or trying to earn by watching football or social media. I hope you got the message, and if you did, then do consider subscribing and sharing this video. That's it for today. See you soon in the next video with some more knowledge.